Let's examine division by zero by rewriting the problems as multiplication problems. There are three different situations we should examine. Let's start with 0 divided by 5. There's nothing special about the 5. This will be dividing 0 by any whole number. If we write this as a multiplication problem, we're asking 5 times what is equal to 0. And then it's a little bit easier to see that that what has to be 0. 5 times 0 is in fact 0. And like I said, there's nothing special about the 5. 0 divided by 7 is 0. 0 divided by 1/2 is 0. Any number where I have 0 divided by that number would give us 0. Next, let's consider 20 divided by 0 is equal to what? Moving this to a multiplication problem, this is equivalent to 0 times what is equal to 20. And there's no value that makes this true. There is nothing we can multiply by 0 and get 20 as a result. So 20 divided by 0 is undefined. And just like before, there's nothing special about this 20. I could put any number there. Anytime we divide by 0, this will be undefined for the same reason. We cannot multiply 0 by a number and get something that isn't 0. Let's finish by looking at one that's a little bit trickier. 0 divided by 0 is equal to what? This is equivalent to 0 times what is equal to 0. And the problem with this one is that there are lots of values that would make this true. I could make that question mark 2, I could make it 500, I could make it -3. There's lots and lots of values that we could substitute in to make this a true equation. The result is called indeterminate, where there's lots of possible solutions. Understanding this concept helps teachers respond clearly when students ask, why can't we divide by 0? And that's a wonderful question for a student to ask.